Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Instagram Reels song in story. Want to use a song from Instagram Reels in your story? In this video, I'll show you how to add reel music to your Instagram story in just a few simple steps. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to find the reel with the song you want. And to do that, just open Instagram and scroll through Reels, and when you find a reel with the song you like, tap the music title at the bottom. Let's see how we can do this on Instagram. As you can see here, I'm just gonna click on the Reels section to access the Reels. And here I'm gonna browse Reels for music. As you can see here, I see this song. I'm gonna click on it. And here you can see the song and the Reels that are using the song. The second step is to use the song in your story. Now once you find the song, make sure you share it and click on use audio and record a new reel. Now if you want to use the song in a story, tap on the share icon and select add to story. As for the third step is to manually add the song to your story. And to do that, just open Instagram's story camera by swiping right. See here. And then you're gonna record a reel and then click on add music and tap the music, search for the song and find the song by name by browsing, and then select the exact part of the song you want to use, and that's it. The fourth step is to customize and post. Add stickers, text and GIFs to make your story more engaging, and tap your story to post it. And that's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to use Instagram Reels songs in your story. Try this to make your stories more fun and engaging. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.